Watch me make 2 pies that I'm going to take to our dinners. Merry Christmas, my family. Well, this is Christmas Eve. I'm going to try to make 2 pies, real fast pies, and hope to get this video out real quick in case it looks like something you might want to take. But we are going to do a gingerbread cream pie and an eggnog cream pie. So if that sounds interesting, keep watching. I'm going to start off with the eggnog cream pie. It's going to be the easier of the two. You need the large box. This is the 5.1 ounce, but the large box of vanilla pudding. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Of course, nutmeg is the main spice that's in eggnog. And then it calls for 2 cups of eggnog. They were out. They had this 14-ounce bottle, so I'm going to try to use that. If I run out, I think I've got an open bottle that I can add a little bit more to if I think it's too thick. But anyway, the recipe says 2 cups. All right, it's a little thick, but I don't think that extra 2 ounces is going to hurt. Now you're going to add 3/4 of a tub of Cool Whip. Okay, so that's about half. And there's a quarter. And then that half. If you want, you can also add a little bit of cinnamon to it. It looks like this pie crust is cracked a little, but that's okay. By the time you cut it, you ain't going to be able to tell anyway. And that's it. Look how fast and easy that was. You can put this in a popping bag and pop little like stars on it. To make it more fancy. I'm just going to spread out these little dollops throughout the pie. And top it with just a little sprinkling of, oops, not that much, April, of nutmeg. That's it. Put your lid on it, stick it in your refrigerator. It says at least 6 hours. The one will be for tomorrow. The other one will be for 6 o'clock tonight. So we've still got time. It's like 9:48 at my time. This is the second one I'm making. It says, I think I told you, you can add like a half teaspoon of cinnamon also. You can add a half tablespoon of rum extract. I don't really like rum extract. It tastes too artificial to me. Or you can add a half a tablespoon of rum. I don't have rum. I don't keep alcohol around here, so we're just going to leave it like it is. But if you are an eggnog lover, I know my girls are. If you are an eggnog lover, I think you will love this pie. And it's quick and simple. All right, let's go to the harder one of the two, which will be the gingerbread cream pie. The recipe called for a 12-ounce bag of the ginger snaps. I got that 16-ounce box, so hopefully that'd be enough because I'm trying to make 2 pies. And I'm putting, to me it's easier if you put them, if you have a food processor, to put them in your food processor, kind of blend them up. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and a stick of melted butter. And then I just slowly drizzle the melted butter in after I get all my cookies broke down and all the sugar blended in with it. You'll want to go in and scrape down the sides a little bit and then blend it a little more, and then it should be fine. If you don't have a food processor, put them in a Ziploc bag and just kind of beat them up with either a spoon or a meat mallet or a rolling pin. This is a 2-set pie pans I got at Walmart. I can't remember if they're 10 or 12 inch. So I'm trying to divide the best I can, half and half of this cookie mixture. And then all you do is just press down, compact down, you know, as tight as you can. You just have to keep working with it till you get to where you like it. The recipe said to freeze it for about 15 minutes. I just put them in the refrigerator while I got everything else ready. And what that does, it helps your butter to solidify again and hold your pie crust together. All right, for the filling, I'm going to do 1 brick of softened cream cheese, half a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. I'm adding a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of unsulfured molasses. And finally, a whole tub, 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. If you want, you can leave it like that. You can top it with more Cool Whip. You can take a little bit of your ginger snaps and sprinkle over top of it. But I've got these cookies, these little gingerbread cookies. I'm just going to plop him right there. That way they know what it is. And it goes in the fridge. Oh, that's good. That's real good. Well, I know this is a last minute video, but hopefully you enjoyed it. And if it looks good and you want to make it, then maybe you'll have a store open within the next few hours that you can go and get the supplies, because it's not that hard, as you can see. So I really do hope you guys have a blessed and a very, very Merry Christmas. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may like my last Christmas video or even last year's Christmas series.